Gian spinning his way. Gian, no matter what, Gian, no one's stopping him. Gian Montenegro. So it's all the ceremony. Shot. Pinasay Kuya Gini contested 3. Rebound by Jenner. Nice. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Gian.
Nice leg.
Kuya Brian with the first possession of the game. Pinasay Kuya Mike. Kuya Mike. Nagagawa pa sana kita si Shanoy. Si Shanoy pa yun. Oh my God. Shanoy. 14 seconds to shoot. Shot pinasay Kuya Brian. Wide open. Uncontested perimeter shot. Just like Nikola Jokic. Oh my goodness. What a pass. Dong. Oh. Pinasa.
Dong, harap sa camera, Dong.
Murray. Kuya Boyan pass.
Ay, sayang.
Natamaan si Danny Santos. Rebound by Kuya Bernie. Outlet pass ni Kuya Pao. Kuya Mike reversing to the lane. Pinagdadala ng bola.
Bang.
Is good. Second shot is no good. Rebound to Chris Breezy. Chris Breezy with a headband on. Kankan, pinasa kay Bay. Nag-feed. Base feed pa to yan. 4-2. Shanoy, floater is good. Time remaining 17 seconds. Kick pa lang daw. Kan. Pinasa kay Tatang. Pinasa kay Kuya Eugene. Kuya Eugene. What a quick kasok ka namin depensa ni Kuya Jerry. Pinalik.
Layo.
From downtown, no good. Rebound ni Kuya Eugene. Kuya Mike. Mararo. Kuya Mike. Pinasa ito.
Kasama yun. Dong, harap sa camera, Dong.
No good. Rebound ni Andre. Andre. 3-minute shot. Nag-fake pa. Oh, sumalaksak. Layup is good. Kuya Quiet. Breakaway pass. Katang. Like Russell Westbrook. Seconds to shoot in Eugene. Pinalik kay Kuya Tantan. Kuya Boyet. Automatic from downtown. Kuya Boyet from team ang gagawin ng great team dito. Kuya Brian, 14 seconds to shoot. Alley pass. Kay Pampi. What a block by Kuya Tan. Tom Mahua. 8 seconds to shoot. Kuya Jenny. Floater is good. Tantan. Uncontested. It's raining threes in Parkview. Score is 23-32. No good. Limanino. Napunta kay Kuya Jerry ang bola. 4-2.
Patay na naman. Natake siya, natake. Patay. Ganda. Nice pass. Uy! Hata.
Condition nyo na. Saan? I contested 3 from downtown.
Dikitan nyo yun.
By Pinasay Andre. Good. White team siya naghanap ng papasahan. Siya na lang daw ang titira. Good, no good. Ano nangyari? Rebound ni Kuya Eugene. Pinasay Andre, back to back, downtown. Andre Malino, 4-3. Hanap ay Lapizet. Andre, all alone. Bang! Stealing his way. Naka-undercut sa 3. No good. Put back by 14 seconds to shoot. Shanoy, Umararo, dinipensa ni Kuya Dan.
Hoy!
In the back, 5 seconds remaining.
Paray!
Lupa shooting and the first half
Nagpaula ng tres ang...
has ended. Score is 53-30. The shot is bouncing off the rim. Bobby Powell. Gotta be the tallest point guard. Pinasay Kuya Vincent, half man, half amazing. Shanoy, sumalaksa all the way to the lane for ano nangyayari? Nakuha na ng JT. Brian Bondok like Nikola Jokic. Pinasa ulit.
Last dong. Back to back ah.
Dong is heating up. Break stereo. What a bounce pass. Take Kuya Eugene for the 2. Kuya Brian. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa ito. The hottest man alive. Oh my goodness. Eugene. Pinasa Andre all the way to the foul. 4, 2, not good. Rebound ito.
Ayun na. Hoy, back to back ah. Shooter talaga si Dong. Patay. Sa pa Dong? Back to back by Dong. Nice Dong. Hindi sumasablay na.
Pinasay Kuya Brian. Down.
Good. That's ball.
Kuya Brian Bondok.
Nice.
Brian all alone. Put back his number again. Rebound ito. Don't the hottest man alive.
Oh, ang lupit. Hindi sumasablay. Wala pa sablay yun ah.
Grabe. Andre, pinasay Kuya Eugene. Oh goodness. Moving perimeter shot. No move. What a defense by Kuya Bobby Powell. Shanoy, nakaluso. Shanoy, 14.